Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do quizzes on the 433 football application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After it is loaded in, go to your home page and then scroll down until you find the quiz section and select the relevant answers. Here you can check out whether you have answered correctly or not. As you can see, it turns gray if you answered correctly and red if you have answered wrong. As you can see, you have 10 questions that you need to answer. So here you can find the right answers and the wrong answers. Tap on this arrow and you can redo your quiz. You can check it out again. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.